You know you love chocolate.
I don't love chocolate. I like it a whole lot.
Come a little closer.
Okay, I'm gonna pull you a little closer now, but you behave yourself, okay?
Pull me a little closer. Just a little closer.
Okay.
Are you sure you don't want to taste this chocolate?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Super mini flavor. With the hint of the chocolate chip. I can't do it. Make sure you like, subscribe. Go ahead, do it now. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking. And share these videos with your friends so they can get a chance to get some of this good stuff right here.